Not sure which Gold RA companies you can trust? Customer reviews can reveal a lot about a company's reliability. Many investors struggle to know which Gold RA companies they can trust based on online reviews. That's why learning how to read and interpret reviews is so valuable. In the Why Choose Augusta guide, you will find real customer testimonials showing feedback on service quality, communication, and overall experience. These are examples from the guide to illustrate what types of reviews indicate reliability and good service. When analyzing reviews, look for patterns like how responsive the company is to questions, whether customers felt supported and informed throughout the process, consistency across multiple reviews and platforms. This guide is one of 8 in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, which also includes why precious metals, company integrity checklist, and the digital dollar report. I'll link this one in the description so you can see how customer reviews can guide your evaluation. By following these steps, you will be able to spot trustworthy providers and make more confident decisions about your Gold IRA. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, easy to follow, and helps you move forward with clarity by showing you how to interpret customer reviews to choose a reliable Gold IRA company. The link's in the description.